working on a 16-ounce plump from the Still Magnolia. I will have a discount code linked for you in the description. All of my alcohol inks come from Woody's Goodies because they are my absolute favorite. I will also add them into the description. We're going to drop a couple drops into a few medicine cups of each color. Taking different widths of paintbrushes, we're going to put our cup on our turner and just let it spin, holding the brush in one spot until you get a full line all the way around, and then we will be moving on to our next color and a different width of paintbrush, and just continue doing the same thing all the way down the cup. You can let it spin a couple times around to kind of get more of a concentrated look, or if you want it more of a pastel look, you can just do one line all the way around. For the bottom of the cup, I just did the exact same thing as the top, but this time we are making more of a bullseye pattern. Just take your brush, load it up with ink, hold your hand really still, and let the turner do its job. At this point, I decided I really wanted to add just a little bit of texture and maybe to blend my really uneven lines. To say I don't have a steady hand is an understatement. I think I was just trying to concentrate way too hard. So I ended up taking some 91% alcohol on just a paper towel, and I'm going to turn my turner back on but hold the cup or the paper towel to the cup and just let it spin. This will lighten up your colors a tad, so if you don't want your colors any lighter, then just skip this step. Now that my inks have completely dried, I felt like we needed just a tiny bit of sparkle factor. So I took this metallic dot nail striping tape and I just added a few sporadically around my cup. There was literally no rhyme or reason here. It was just, yes, I need one here, and yes, I need one there. And then I just rolled with that. will be taking these clear cast decals from AB Design Co. These ones are super awesome because they have a white backing, so they are vibrant on any base. And I'm just going to loosely cut around each image. I'm going to apply the biggest image first, pushing that down as you remove the backing to ensure there is no bubbles or creases. And then I'm going to take the rest of the images that I cut out and just tape them on loosely so I know exactly where I want to place them. And then taking one by one, removing the backing and placing them down where I had them taped. Once you have all of your decals down around the bottom and they're just kind of hanging over the edge here, we're going to take some scissors and just cut some slits all the way around. And then I'm going to pull and stretch the decal until it is completely smooth around the edge. Taking my X-Acto knife, I'm going to just follow the circle of the bottom seal here and cut off all of the excess. Now it's time to add your decal. I chose this hand lettered file from my shop that says Cuddly like a cactus. Now that your cup is all finished, don't forget to accessorize with the cutest cactus straw. They are also available in my shop along with many other styles. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe. All the discount codes and product links will be listed for you below. And if you would like more tips and tricks, join my Facebook group with the link in the description. And thanks so much for watching.